This is Eric Mother, mother.com, with a quick follow-up on a video I did yesterday. And let's take a look here. This is the video. You should find this either by searching on YouTube, or should be a link in the description of the video if I don't forget to add that link, that is. But anyway, in this video I was talking about the 2 hourly for the for the BKX. What I'm going to do is give you a quick follow-up. Now this is the next day, and this is the chart that I used for the video. In fact, I haven't even refreshed it, so the chart is still from yesterday with about 2 hours to go before the close. And the lines we had drawn, one quick reminder of those lines is line number 1 is a backtest line, and then line number 2 was this line here, actually somewhere there. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to refresh this to reflect today's market action at the open, and we can see that we are already responding to that level again. So today, the 23rd, and we're going to draw the 2 lines again as a follow-up. Notice how the market is responding to those lines, and then line number 2, backtest line. What I was trying to show you here is to understand that markets do have an amazing sense of memory, and if you can understand where to draw your lines, as we can see the case here, sometimes they can help you determine what direction to take in the short term. So right now, because we are seeing this rejection on these 2 lines, things are still pointing down in terms of a swing trade, and we know that if the market has enough energy and desire, if it moves above those 2 lines, then it is best to be positioned long. Right now, as we open the day here for a swing trade, looks to be pointing down, reflecting the 2 lines as a backtest resistance lines, and which might explain why we gapped down at the open. We'll see how things go. Of course, other time frames play a role, but I was just trying to demonstrate how instruments have an amazing sense of memory. And a follow-up to yesterday's video. Eric Mother.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. I'm out. I shall be back in the next video just before you know it. I'm out.